As part of the Cebu Business Month 2026, we are also going to have the Tourism Forum and MICE Forum. This will be on June 25 at the Mactan Newtown. Last year was the first one that the Cebu MICE Alliance is organizing the Tourism Forum in partnership with the Cebu Chamber of Commerce. And last year, we were talking to different MICE champions in Southeast Asia on how we'll be able to bring international events to Cebu. And this year, we're going to discuss further on what Cebu has to offer in terms of MICE and events. Dako yun kay siyang impact, ma'am. Dako kay siyang impact. It's because we're able to showcase what Cebu has to offer. Right now, we can confidently say that Cebu is no longer just a leisure destination. We are ready to accommodate international MICE events. Dinagko na yun ato karon. Well, we're expecting to get some buyers not just from within the Philippines. We're still going to send our invitations to the Southeast Asia. We plan to bring in international media as well. Our target really is the local tourism stakeholders. This is like an avenue for us to discuss on how we can work as a group. You know what? It is understandable that before we used to sell our individual properties, but with the help of the Cebu Chamber of Commerce and other chambers here in Cebu, we already learned how to drop our brands na magtinabangay yuta. And these are the things that we learned from, like I said, the tourism champions from Southeast Asia. We're able to talk to leaders from Singapore, Malaysia. Now, the only way for us to win like bids for international events is for us to really work together. Kalimtan sa nato atong mga individual hotels, we sell Cebu first before we can sell our brands. This will be on June 25. It's going to be a whole day event from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. at the Mactan Newtown. Registration is at 1,000 per head, and the highlight here is going to have a show, the Taste of Paradise. We have a lot of hotels and resorts who are sponsoring the lunch, so it will be an avenue for you to try all the hotels who will showcase their F&B promotion. As of today, we already have 12, but we're targeting about 20 to 30. Only in Cebu that we were able to gather all the resorts. Cebu, at the end of the day, it's a friendly competition, right? Our message that we want to send across is that we have to work together for Cebu to win. So we have speakers coming from DOT. We're trying to bring in the Tourism Promotions Board. And not only that, I'm very happy to share that for the first time, we'll be able to witness a panel discussion which will be attended by the different leaders of the different business chambers. Talisay Chamber of Commerce, Lapu-lapu Chamber of Commerce, Cebu, all in one venue to talk about how we can bring Cebu to the global stage. We already learned from ASEAN nga kaya mang juday nato. Like let's say for the venue like Mactan Expo, that was the first time we were able to use that venue. Nya ASEAN man lang said ang atong gi-example. So I'm very happy to share that we're ASEAN ra atong gi-example Well, I'm proud to say na we are very ready. We just really need the help of the local and the international media to send that message across that Cebu is here and we're ready to host international events. All right, in terms of collaboration, I already mentioned that we already have the business chambers who are coming in. Aside from that, we'll be bringing in, let's say, Philippine Airlines, Cebu Pacific, and all the other international airlines in one panel for them to discuss also about how to market Cebu, right? How to market Cebu, what are their initiatives. Aside from that, our Department of Tourism, our Regional Director, Jelena, will also be discussing on how DOT will be playing their role in terms of helping MICE, right? We want to learn from them also because we're doing our initiatives already. And with the change of leadership in the Department of Tourism, I think it's a perfect time for us to also understand how they can help us, specifically for Cebu. And I don't want to share more information just yet, but the highlight I would say that I'm very excited is Pato Gregorio will be coming here. He will be one of our keynote speaker, and he will be making one big announcement for Cebu during the event. We're targeting about 200 just for the tourism forum for June 25. Yes, Cebu, padayon lang yun Cebu. I know it's a difficult time for everybody, but as long as we work together, kaya bitaw yun kanina nato. And we just really want all your support to really help us increase tourism. Again, Cebu is not just a leisure destination. Kaya na yun kaya nato to host international events. And I'm sure with the opening of SMX, I'm sure you've heard about concerts coming in already, and that's very possible. And we just need your help to speak highly of Cebu. With regards to what's happening around us, let's just put that aside and let's just focus on Cebu, how we can help Cebu, especially as far as tourism is concerned.